Okay, so we're back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I got a couple more spaces I just cut out from my shims there. So I'm just gonna hold this, pull back on that a little bit, since it's already a little bit tight against it. Line up my shim. Do the same over here, just pull it over a little bit. Get my shim in there. Don't want the other one to fall when I'm doing this. I don't think it's going to. Alright, let's see. I'm on there, little fella. Okay, there we go. So, got that lined up pretty good. I'm just gonna lift this left one up a hair with my knife here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna screw it in and tighten it down. I think that'll be all that there is to it. Once you get the bottom one in, it kind of puts tension over here. Then when you're screwing it in, just make sure that you don't let it get off center from how you want it, straight up and down or whatever. So like that, and then just tighten it down. Tighten the bottom on. Tighten the top. And then that's about it. You see, just recess just a hair. I wonder if that's good enough for me, or if I should have measured a little bit more. Well, let's put the screws in here and see, maybe this will suck it closer to the wall once I put the screws in there. So let's see real quick here. I think that's right there. We should find out here shortly. Okay, that one's in. I haven't tightened it down yet, so we're gonna see if it's gonna get to where I want it. These are those unbreakable ones. So actually, as I'm tightening this down, I think that's about perfect actually. I kind of like the screws up and down myself. Actually, that worked out about perfect. You can see it's nice. I like it sticking out even just a hair. I can show you that. Even just a hair past this, I like it sticking out. So I think it turned out really well. It's in there pretty solid, it's not moving. So there you go. That's how to shim like a recessed lighting with just some shims, and measuring, and just cutting it out with a little reciprocating, oscillating multifunction tool there. Cut it out, cut the shims out real quick, and yeah, it looks really nice, way better than it did before. So, and these are the nylon, like unbreakable outlet covers, which I really like. You want to get these, I think, if you're doing it, because there's nothing more frustrating than like screwing it in and then having it cracking. So I totally recommend these unbreakable nylon wall plates. They're a little bit more expensive, but when you're screwing them in, they're not going to break. So there, that's how you fix the recessed outlet there, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped, and have a great day out there.